Look for them now. Hungry. Look for them now. Hungry.
Let me at 'em. Let me at 'em right now.
Look for them now. Hungry.
Okay. I'll get you one day. I'll get you.
Time for a leisurely walk. Oh, guys, what are you doing there? Why are you hiding? You look so scared. What's wrong?
We really need help. The zombies are surely going to get us. We have no house, nor lawn. What do we do? I don't want to end up in a zombie salad. Ah!
Okay, guys, calm down. So, what you need is a house, right? I can help you with that. I can build you a house and a lawn too. And I know somebody, his name is Dave, and he can look after you. And he can even help you fight off those zombies. So what do you say?
Yay, we're saved! We will be victorious!
I really want to help the plants fight off all those zombies. So, in order to do this, I'm building them a house with a really big lawn. I'll show you how I did it. So let's begin. I started by measuring and cutting rectangular boards for the walls. Next, I also measured and cut the base of the roof.
Oh, wow!
And those are going to be our roof tiles. Next, I glued on the sides of the roof. And now the top. The top is flat, so the plants can actually sit on top of it. Next, I started to glue on the roof tiles. These don't have to be even because we want it to look a little bit rustic. So the chips are about 1 by 1.5 inches. I started from the bottom and worked my way up, one layer at a time. And there you go. That is our roof. Next, we're going to color. For the house, we're going to use acrylic paint. So we have a chocolate brown, a lemon yellow, yellow ochre, and, well, Venetian red. I mixed yellow ochre with white. That's going to be the color of our walls.
Those colors are hypnotizing.
Next would be the Venetian red. I added a little bit of lemon yellow to this to get that really nice terracotta color. So now, it's time to paint. Now, I've started to paint my roof. I put on a couple of coats to protect it from all those zombies. I made sure to get paint all over and into the crevices. I made it nice and even. I love that rich color.
Oh, wow!
Now, we're starting to color the walls. It's a bright beige. And white for our picket fence, as well as our windowsill. I also printed out some bricks and grass for the lawn. I printed about 3 sheets of this. And now I'm cutting out Dave. He's important because he's going to have to look after my small friends.
Yes, we will help Dave defend his house.
I also printed out some bricks for the side of the house. There's Dave. I think he bought some new furniture though. That's going to be his bedroom. And now we're putting on his windows. It kind of looks very secure in there. There he goes. And now windows for his living room. I think he bought a new sofa set as well. So, now that we're done with the lawn, we're going to put it against the house. And we're gluing on the fence. We're putting one on each side. Just like that. And now the door. And the siding. How about another window? And to keep them nice and warm, a fireplace inside, and a smokestack outside. So there's our house.
I can see Dave inside his house. Maybe we can do a sleepover. Cabbage Palt! Colonel Palt! To the roof! Sunflowers to the back! Bok Choy to the front line! Corn cob, get ready to fire! This is going to be epic! Everyone, places! Everyone, stand your ground! Fight, fight, fight! We need to defend our land! Potato mine, do your thing! Everyone, get ready! Fight, fight, fight! We hate zombies. We'll send you back to ancient Egypt. Fight, fight, fight! You can take your bow with you as well. Fight, fight, fight! Pirates don't scare us. Disco balls don't scare us either. Go home where you came from.